Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to increase transaction limit in Canara Bank App. So you can simply adjust your transaction limit in the Canara Bank App by simply adjusting the debit card transaction limit using the Canara AIL app. So to do that, you have to log on to the mobile app, then enter your credential. Then once you are logged in, then go to the card section within the app, which is located in the settings. Then after that, you have to manage the card limit. So to do that, you have to select your debit card and choose the manage card or set limit. Then after that, you have to set a transaction limit. So to do that, you have to adjust the limit for ATM withdrawal. Then you can also set for POS transactions and online, which is the e-commerce transaction, as per your preference. Then also you can confirm these changes. So to do that, save change the settings. Then you might need to authenticate using your MP or an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Then once you do that, you can also adjust the fund transfer limit via your Canara net banking. So to do this, which is the other method, access your Canara bank net banking using your user ID and password. Then navigate to transaction limit. From there, go to fund transfer, then select modify transaction limit or a similar option, depends on your app version. Then set a new limit. So adjust the daily transaction limit as per your requirement. Then from there, you have to authenticate and confirm that. So enter the necessary authentications details such as your transaction password and your OTP to confirm the changes. And that's how you can simply increase your transaction limit in Canara Bank App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.